Dear students, you are welcome in the Education Department at SHAHD Association. Our lesson today is What can animals do? Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more lessons and don't forget to activate the bell to stay notified. Our objectives for this lesson are: the first one, to know what animals can do. The second one, to write sentences using can or cannot. Let's start. What animals can do? For example, birds can fly. Elephants can stomp. Another example, fish can swim. Gorilla can climb but cannot swim. So fish can swim, gorilla can climb. Now, my lovely students, look at this picture. In this picture, we see boy and girl. We can sing, and we can dance, and we can do many things. I will start with can. Can is a modal verb and has a range of uses. One of those is to talk about ability. Now, look at the following example. My sister can play on the piano. The subject here is my sister. Then we add can, and the verb here is play. And then we put the rest of the statement on the piano. My sister can play on the piano. I start here with the subject, my sister. Then I put can. Then I put the verb here, play. And then the rest of the statement on the piano. Now, look at this picture. What can she do? Yes, she can jump it up. We start our sentence with the subject, she. And then we put can. And then we put the verb, and the verb here is jump. Excellent, she can jump it up. Now, look at Ahmad. Can he run? No, he is very tired. So we write, Ahmad cannot run 10 kilometers. We use here cannot because Ahmad cannot do this thing. Cannot run 10 kilometers. So we use cannot. Now, my lovely students, look at penguins. Can they swim? Yes, they can. Can they fly? Think well. No, they cannot. So we write, penguins cannot fly. So, my lovely students, when you want to write a sentence with can or cannot, we start our sentence with the subject. Then we put can or cannot. And then the verb in the base form. And then the rest of the statement. such that penguins cannot fly. Thank you for your listening. Stay safe and goodbye. Thanks for watching. If you liked this lesson, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more. And don't forget to click the bell to get all the updates.